All right, teenagers. The first thing you guys are going to do today is go to Google Classroom and watch the Hinduism videos right here. They're not ed puzzles or anything, but I just want you, even though we did do a Nearpod yesterday over Hinduism 2, make sure that you have some more adequate background information and get yourself reacclimated with what we learned yesterday in order to successfully do this activity that we will do today. So pause this video and watch these videos. Alright, once you are done with that, what you're going to do is you are going to go up to the front table and you're going to grab a packet that looks like this. Alright, you are going to grab one for you and your desk partner. You are working with desk partners today, okay? So this isn't a free-for-all. You can't work with whoever you want, but if there was someone right by you, work with them. If the person by you is gone today, look around to see if anyone else needs a partner. If they do not, then unfortunately you will have to work by yourself. Okay, so we are not going to do this whole entire activity that the curriculum says we need to do. We're going to kind of morph it just a little bit so you guys get the information because we are running out of time here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are first going to look at this photograph right here that the packet shows. Okay, look at this photograph and you are going to complete step 1. Okay, with your desk partner, I want you to discuss what the image is revealing. Okay, what you think it is doing. Make guesses. You do not have to be right, obviously. Once you have discussed the picture with your partner, you are going to move on to step number 2. Okay, you are going to read the information that I am highlighting right now. Okay, read all of this information to step 3. Not that much, okay, only about a half a page. You read that information. While you are reading it, I would like you to discuss these questions with your desk partner. Okay, the questions that they have in italics, there's about 4 of them per section. You need to discuss those with your partner. We are going to ignore, and I repeat, ignore steps 3 and steps 4. We are not doing this full activity like I said. You are only doing steps 1 and 2. Okay? Once you have read this and you've discussed the questions in italics with your partner, you are going to then get out your ISN packet that we got yesterday. In your ISN packet, you are going to turn to this page. It is page 4 in your packet. Okay? This is the main questions that you guys will be responsible for each section of this packet. So you need to answer these questions in depth and you need to write them in your ISN packet. Okay? Don't just discuss with your partner, actually write them in your packet. You will repeat this step for all of the different pages in here. Okay? You'll repeat it for the Brahmins, steps 1 and 2, and answer your questions. You'll repeat it for Diwali, steps 1 and 2, and answer your questions. You'll repeat it for food and meals, do steps 1 and 2, and answer the question in your ISN. For Hindu temples, same thing, steps 1 and 2, and then answer the question in your ISN. You'll do it for Hindu pilgrimage, steps 1 and 2, and answer the question in your ISN. For the sacredness of the cow, repeat that same process. And then Hindu holy people, repeat that same process as well. Okay, the last one will be the marriage ceremony. Make sure that you guys complete all of this today. Like I said, you're going to do steps 1 and 2. Discuss what the image is with your partner. Make educational guesses. When you do step 2, you're going to discuss the questions that the packet has in italics with your partner. You're just discussing those. You don't have to answer them. And then the final step is you're going to turn to your ISN and then answer the main essential question for the correct article here. Okay? That is all you have to do today. Good luck, and make sure we are getting this done.